We selected the Dryvit product because of the collection of materials we had available to us. We did look at some other EIFS manufacturers, and they had similar products for the corrugated panel look, or similar products for the the wood look, or maybe the metal finish. Or not many have the brick look, which was one of the key things for us when we were starting with authentic brick metal and stucco and wood. Replica or faux materials, we were a little anxious about how authentic it was really going to look when you're standing up right next to it. So we were first impressed with the fact that for the brick, we could get a real conventional common brick texture, which is more of like a sand pebble finish, but we could also get it with iron spotting added and flashing, which is the sort of the black variation you'd see on old brick. That, from a texture standpoint, allowed us to make it really authentic looking at it up close. And then we used 2 or 3 different colors of it. Sometimes we left the flashing off, sometimes we changed the color to more yellow as opposed to orange. The wood was sort of an added surprise to us because it's an artistically created pattern, but the craftsmanship was really surprisingly well done. So a lot of people don't know that the wood bands that you see around the building are not wood. They're insulation that are made with a different color variation and the faux treatment of graining and things. So, and in those cases, we let, again, the finish of it be rather smooth. So it seemed like it could actually be wood. The one thing that's nice about some of these EIFS materials is you can do an orange wall, and if some years down the road you realize that it needs to be gray, you can go and refinish it, make it gray, and it's still the same wall, still performs right, and still has the proper energy efficiency and moisture protection. So I think people are sort of looking at the entire palette now and trying to be creative and mix and match. So again, that's the real nice choice about working in this kind of material. You can sort of at the last minute just say, yeah, I don't want orange, let's do gray. And it doesn't change anything.